All right, so today we have a second assignment of the series Photopea. It's called Layers on Photopea. So guys, Photopea is a website which is based off layers. Okay, now let me show you what the layers look like. So this is the Photopea website. All right, and let me see. Yeah, it is recording. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow the instructions. Remember the instructions. So step number 1, it says go on the website, photopea.com. All you have to do is just click on it. All right, you click on it, it's gonna take you here. This is the website. Now we're gonna do the same dimensions we did yesterday. We're gonna create a new document, set the canvas size to, remember, 800 and 600, and also background white. Let's do the same thing. So create a new project, set canvas size to 800 and then 600, and then the background is going to be white. You click on create, it's going to open a page for you. All right. All right, so next I'm going to continue reading the instructions. So there's not many steps, guys, only 6 steps. Step number 3, draw basic shapes. Use the shapes tool to draw the following on separate layers, guys. All right? Separate layer means they're going to be on separate layers. The good thing is you don't have to do anything. They already added to separate layer. Let me show you how it works. So a red rectangle. Let's add a red rectangle. So tell me, guys, how many layers you see here? Only one, right? When you guys go and click on a rectangle, make a rectangle, and what color was it gonna be? Red. Just change color from fill, and then how many layers you have now? 2. You see, it's automatically added to a new layer, so you don't have to do anything. Now that's first shape. Second shape, a blue circle. All I have to do is hold down this rectangle tool with your mouse and then pick the ellipse. Okay, and then what color is it going to be? Blue. Change it to blue. Now you see they are overlapping. And how many layers I have now? It doesn't matter. They can overlap. How many layers do I have right now? 1, 2, 3. 3 layers. Okay. Now I'm done with blue circle. Now I'm going to look at triangle. For triangle, it has to be yellow. Guys, pay attention at the triangle because there is no triangle shape. There is something else. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do triangle. So how are you going to do triangle? You're going to choose, let me see. I think it's, let me try parametric shape because there should be another one. They haven't. Okay, so you see, when you click on parametric shapes, you are able to change the sides. So how many sides are there here? Look over here. 5. Change it to 3, and it is going to become a triangle. What color is the triangle? Yellow. Yellow. All right. So how many layers I have right now? Okay. Now I'm reading the next step of your assignment. So arrange these shapes so they overlap slightly. Okay, they are overlapping, right? So you see, my shapes are overlapping. That's totally fine. I did it on purpose because I want you to see something. All right. So what you're gonna see is now it says step number 4, Liam. Organize layers. Rename each layer according to its content. For example, you need to rename layer rectangle to rectangle or circle to circle. Okay, so let's do that. So you see this layer? You see this layer? What shape is this layer? So if you want to know what shape it is, you see there's a little eye. You can uncheck it. It's going to be invisible. So what disappeared? The triangle, right? So that's a triangle. Now you want to click on shape 3 here. Double click and then type triangle. Okay? Now what shape is this one? This layer. It's circle. Double click on the name of the layer and change it to circle. So we organizing it, okay? Because names should be meaningful names for layers. Otherwise, things get very confusing. Now, what about the next layer? What shape is this layer? Rectangle. So we're going to double click on the name of your layer, change it to rectangle. Okay? And now, at this point, what I want you to pay attention at is, look, my shapes are overlapping. Click on letter V. Okay, you see I'm able to move my shapes. So, what if I want my circle to be on top of the overlap? What do I do? You can take this circle here and then just drag it up. You see, it is going to be on top. Doesn't make sense. What if I want my red rectangle to be on the top of the stack? What do I do? You're gonna take this rectangle here and then you put it on the top of the stack. So again, guys, as you can see here, it's stacked up from top towards the bottom. Whatever is on the top lays on the top of the stack. Whatever is on the bottom lays on the bottom of the stack. Do you guys understand? Okay, so in cases if you want to rearrange the order of your items in a stack, all you have to just move them, man, like this. Just drag and drop. You see, I'm able to move them around and then reorganize their order in the stack. Okay. Next step says, step number 5, add and edit text. So we're going to add a text and then type shapes and layers. So what we're going to do next is, you guys following? So you see there is a little tool here that's responsible for text. Which one do you think it is? Yes, exactly. So if you use your common sense, usually it is letter T in most of the programs, right? There we go. Click on T, okay, type tool, and then click on top of your stack, and this just type. It's not going to show up, just type. So I'm going to type shapes and layers. Right now you don't see it. Do you know why? Why do you think you don't see it? Because the triangle is covering it up, right? All right. Now, after you're done typing, you're going to click on this check right here. You see check sign? Okay. Now, if you were to move this text to the top of the stack, you're going to see it. Am I able to change the size of my text? Yes. How? You just double click and highlight it and then change the size from 24 to something bigger, like this. All right. Now click on letter V, move it here, and last step of your assignment is, Matthias, you need to save it as JPG. What format it is? JPG. How do we do it? File, export as JPG, and click on save. It's going to automatically save it in your Google Drive. And then you're going to do what? Then you're going to go and then attach it to your assignment. How do you do that? Add or create, go to Google Drive, find your assignment, and attach it. And you are done. Click on turn in and complete it.